All right, here we go. This is on the first ever ride with the bike completely set up and built to what I think is going to work for me. I've got a heavier shock spring on that. I've got a turbine core silencer, skid plate, hand guards, handlebar risers, and a taller seat. Let's see what she's got to offer here. And just set the sag on this. Ooh, feels squirrely. Feels pretty good. The seat height feels good. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Forget something again?
Yeah! All right, now I mean business. Got the gas on. The jetting on this is a little sloppy. All right, jetting is bad. I think I need to go back and change my jetting. It's bad, bad, bad. You guys go keep riding and I'll catch you. Oh, we lost Jim too.
You bogging?
Yep.
Low end or mid or?
Low. Once it gets up high in the pipe, it's fine. It's just not so good all the way to there. I'll give it a little while longer.
Yeah, let it warm up a little bit more.
Yep. All right, I'm kind of liking the feeling of this bad boy, but the jetting sucks, and I'm yelling again. I don't know why I'm yelling. So Sean the Ripper is back with us today. I have to make that announcement. Sean's been race car driving over the last few months, and he finally got his shit together, and he's with us. I'm not scared of no roots on a hill. I gotta get this jetting fixed as I sing the jetting fix song. Oh, you rat bastard! Yeah, I'm gonna go back and change it.
I can't believe how well that thing takes off. Coming out of the tree, get on it, it's like, whoop, get back in the traction.
I know, the traction's really good on that tire. All right, which way is back to the truck? Straight? Okay. I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Want to do it in the trailer? Flat floor where you won't lose anything?
Yeah, that would be cool. Yeah, thank you. Bark, 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 bark. All right, I changed my main jet to a 140 and trying to see if there's a difference here. Yeah, it still needs some work. It's the idle jet. It's got real gurgle and bog, low to mid throttle. Hear that? It sounds awful. The bike used to come alive in the wide open throttle position. Now it's not. All right, it's not lighting up like it used to. So that main jet's got to go back to the 145. It's on a 140 now. I mean, it's okay, it's just not great. I got to put the 145 back in and go to a 40 pilot jet. Yeah, I got to switch back. Is this the front? I don't know where I'm going. Okay.
I go in over there?
Where are we going? That way?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can.